Sabre Limited is an ERP implementation and training specialist offering top-of-the-line solutions to your manufacturing problems using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we partner with ExpandIT to bring you a short demonstration of the ExpandIT Mobile Client.
The ExpandIT field service software puts information at your service technician's fingertips digitally. Technicians can easily track key information, access up-to-date data, view a real-time overview of job-related information, complete checklist, and provide photographic proof of work completed. This enables your organization to streamline the order flow from field worker through to the accounting system and improve cash flow with faster billing. The improved transparency and better documentation increases customer satisfaction and enhances compliance. When technicians are installing or servicing equipment, technicians can quickly find their way to service jobs using the Navigate icon. Once there, they can easily register time usage, consumption of parts, and more. Time usage is logged automatically, including travel time to and from a job. The ExpandIT Mobile Client works both offline and online, meaning service orders can be edited anytime and anywhere. Paper is eliminated by using electronic reports that cannot be misplaced, ripped, or rained on. Signatures and paperwork are not forgotten by making them a mandatory part of the service process. Data management becomes challenging when using a non-integrated solution. When service technicians are installing or servicing many customized equipment for their clients, it is imperative that they have the most up-to-date data. The ExpandIT field service software integrates with Microsoft Dynamics ERP systems. This means data can be retrieved as required, enabling service technicians to prepare more effectively for service visits. They can view all jobs scheduled for any given day, month, or week. For individual jobs, the service technician can see the schedule time, location, planned material, and any messages from the dispatcher. Being updated in real time is crucial when technicians are servicing and installing different equipment. The ExpandIT field service software ensures both dispatchers and field technicians have an accurate overview of co-workers and jobs. Technicians can work on specific tasks for a job or project and check them off as completed. As soon as a job is complete, the data flows all the way through to invoicing in just a matter of minutes. For additional information, consult your ERP partner, Sabre, today.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please follow our channel by clicking here to stay up to date with the latest content, or click here for more great videos. Don't forget to visit our website at sabrelimited.com. We look forward to seeing you next time.